Hi, this is Anju, and the title is Transforming Advertising Through Information Retrieval. Here are my teammates. They are Hitesh Raj and Devi Priyanka. In this presentation, we will discuss how information retrieval is playing a key role in modern advertising, helping business understand consumers, optimize their communication, and improve decision making. We'll also explore the problems faced by traditional advertising, the working process of information retrieval, practical examples, and finally, the future possibilities that are shaping digital advertising today. And coming to next slide, introduction. Let's start with a brief introduction. Modern advertising has evolved far beyond simple print or television campaigns. It now operates in a digital data rich environment where every interaction, every click, view, and search provides insights into user behavior. The goal of modern advertising is not just to inform, but to connect to deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. Information retrieval lies at the heart of the transformation by analyzing user intent and retrieving relevant data. Advertising becomes more personalized and impactful. In this presentation, we'll show how IR enables this shift, turning vast amounts of data into actionable advertising intelligence. And coming to next slide, why choose this topic? We selected this topic because of its growing relevance in today's digital landscape. In the age of big data, information retrieval is what bridges the gap between consumer needs and marketing goals. Advertising has become a data driven science, and understanding the logical behind it helps us appreciate how technologies like machine learning and NLP are being applied in real world industries. Moreover, the topic demonstrates how interdisciplinary knowledge, combining computer science, information retrieval, and marketing, creates real value. By choosing this theme, we wanted to explore how IR makes advertising not only smart but also more ethical and efficient when handled responsibly. Next, coming to slide 4, the problem. However, with these advertisements come significant challenges. One major issue is privacy. As data collection become more sophisticated, it's crucial to respect a user consent and with the data regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Another challenge is accuracy in targeting. Even with AI models, understanding real human intent isn't always easy. For example, a user searching for apple could mean the fruit or the company. Advertisers also face rapidly challenging consumer trends. What's popular today might be irrelevant tomorrow. So, systems must adapt quickly. Lastly, advertisers need to find balance, IR for efficiency while maintaining trust and transparency with the consumers. And the next slide will be continued by my friend.
Hello, my name is Hitesh, and I'm going to continue from the next slide. And coming to the next slide, it's modern advertising. So, modern advertising is all about precision, adaptability, and data awareness. It begins with defining a digital first, data driven focus. Every campaign today is designed around insights, what customers like, search for, and interact with. Targeted and personalized messaging allows advertisers to speak directly to specific audience segments rather than broadcasting one message to everyone. For example, an online store might show different ads for sneakers to teenagers and formal shoes to working professionals, all based on behavior data. Real-time optimization is another important element. Using live analytics, advertisers can instantly modify their campaigns. If an ad isn't performing well, it's replaced or redesigned immediately, reducing wasted spending. And finally, adapting to emerging technologies ensures continuous improvement using AI, machine learning, and automation to predict consumer preferences and behavior. Essentially, modern advertising combines creative storytelling with data science to create meaningful engagement and drive measurable results. And going to the next slides, it's about challenges of modern advertising. Despite the innovations, the advertising industry still faces key challenges. The first is ad blocking and fatigue. Users today are overwhelmed by ads, leading many to install blockers or ignore them entirely. This forces advertisers to focus on quality and relevance. Second, privacy and compliance remain critical. Companies must manage data responsibly and be transparent about how it's used. Third, fragmentation of media channels makes consistent branding difficult across platforms from TV and web to mobile apps. Another issue is short attention spans and content overload. Advertisers have less than 5 seconds to capture user interest, so creativity must be backed by smart targeting. So finally, measurement and attribution challenges make it difficult to know which ad truly influenced a user's decision. Multi-touch attribution models and AI-based analysis are helping improving this, but it's still an evolving area. Overall, overcoming these challenges requires collaboration between technology, creativity, and ethics, the three pillars of responsible advertising. And going to the next slide, I'm going to discuss about how does information retrieval work in advertising. Now let's look at how information retrieval actually works in advertising. The process starts with user intent understanding. Every user action from typing a keyboard to liking a post is a query that reveals intent. IR systems analyze these queries to predict what the user wants or needs. The second step is content relevance matching. Here, the system ranks and selects advertisements that best matches the user's profile or activity. For instance, if someone searches best laptops for college, the IR engine retrieves relevant ad and content related to educational laptops for accessories. The third component is personalization and targeting. Beyond matching content, information retrieval systems adapt the presentation, showing different formats or visual depending on demographics, device, or browsing history. Overall, information retrieval ensures that advertising feels natural, timely, and relevant rather than random or disruptive. This precision is what drives engagement and trust in modern marketing. And coming to the next slide, it's about examples of information retrieval in action. To make this clear, let's discuss some real world examples. First, in engine advertising, when users enter queries into Google or Bing, the IRs rank both the organ and sponsored results based on keyword relevance and quality scores. This ensures that ads are ads are relevant and aligned with user intent. Second, contextual understanding. Contextual understanding. Advertisement ads delivers ads based on the content being viewed. For instance, someone reading an article about travel destinations might see ads for airline tickets or travel insurance. Third, behavioral targeting analyzes long term data such as browsing history, shopping habits, or social media activity to create a behavioral profile. Ads are then delivered based on likely interests rather than immediate searches. Together, these examples show how IR ensures that digital ads are smart, adaptive, and tailor-made, making advertising more useful to users and profitable for businesses. And from the next slide, my friend is Priyanka is going to continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Hitesh. My name is Devi Priyanka. Here comes the slide future for the modern advertising. Now, let's move on to what the future of advertising looks like. We are entering a stage where AI and machine learning integration will dominate the advertising ecosystem. These technologies will help systems learn continuously from user interaction and self optimize without human input. Predictive analyst will enable advertisers to anticipate user needs even before they are expressed. For instance, a system might suggest a vacation package before the user search for it based on the recent travel related activity. And also the another major development is multi-model information retrieval, where different data types, text, images, voice, and video are proceed together. This helps create richer and more emotional advertising experience. To summarize this, the future of advertising will be guided by automation, emotional intelligence, and cross-platform energy, ensuring that every user feels understood and valued. Well, going to the next slide, applications. We have for the information retrieval, we have the application supports a wide range of advertising, dynamic and targeting. Uses machine learning models to automatically adjust ad placements based on the real content like weather, location, or current trends. To instance, a coffee brand might promote hot drinks on cold mornings and iced beverage during the summer afternoons. Content optimization and personalization refines how message appear, adjusting tone, visuals, and timing for each audience segment. This is not only improves click-through rates but also builds emotional connection. Finally, ad placements and the contextual targeting ensure that ads appear on relevant platforms or media channels. This means an ad for the software might appear on tech blogs, while a fashion brand might focus on Instagram or Pinterest. So these applications demonstrate the synergy between the IR and the marketing, both working together to make advertising data informed, creative, and adaptive. And also, we have the future directions. Looking forward for this, industry will likely ahead in the two major directions. Uh, the first one is AI powered predictive advertising, and the second one is cross channel integration and seamless user experience. While going with the AI powered predictive advertising, there are systems capable of fully autonomous decision making. From ad designs and the placements to the budget optimization, this will drastically reduce human intervention and increase efficiency. Well, the second one, the cross channel and the seamless user experience means a user might be an interaction on the mobile, continue on desktop, and finish it on a connected TV, all while seeing consistent and personalized messages. Such integration will make brand experience unified and natural rather than the repetitive or disconnected. As advertisers adapt these new systems, ethical designs and transparency will be essential to maintaining trust while embracing automation. So, to conclude this, information retrieval has the advertising land space. It enables enhanced targeting and ensuring the users receive ads that are meaningful and not intrusive. It has improved overall advertising effectiveness by using data and analytics for smaller decisions. Moreover, personalized users' experience has made advertising more engaging and user friendly. Looking ahead, there are huge opportunities for innovation, especially with AI and IR combinating to create human centered, adaptive, and predictive marketing. These relationships between the data and the creative will continue to shape how brands and the consumers interact in the coming years. Well, to conclude our presentation, on behalf of our team, thank you everyone. Thank you for your attention. And also, we hope this session helped understand how information retrieval serves and as a backbone of modern advertising, bridging technology, business, and human behavior to create smart digital experience. Thank you.